No, he's behind the he's behind
Oh, I
the
see him.
lion. Yeah. So tiny.
I can barely see him. Oh, there he goes.
It's a robin. Yeah, the bluebird's been mainly eating in the garden. He hasn't gone to the feeder. But they're, like I said, they're real timid. Black and white, we got like 6 different kinds of finches that are just absolutely beautiful. Oh yeah, we've got the blue ones. The birds were still coming right down next to us and eating. But man, here in the morning, there's that bluebird, baby. See him?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And see, the blue jays are completely different here, the way they look. Our blue jays here look like the one that Sheldon caught on Big Bang Theory, if you've ever seen it. That big blue jay that was in his window. That's what ours look like. They're completely different than the blue jays in California.
That's a beautiful piece of fish.
That's only half.
Yeah. This is gonna be bomb.
Yep.
We love.
Get it all grilled up, and then it's going with wet hickory and apple wood to smoke.
Yeah, right there.
Call you mama.
Hello. Hi, baby.
Hello, my love. Hey. I love you.
I love you too, baby. Everybody's out. Enjoying the nice weather.
Rained all day. And
It's
look
nice
how
though.
beautiful it is tonight
It's nice.
for our dinner.
Yep. It smells good. I agree, Lulu.
All right, we got everything grilled. Now the magic. We got hickory and apple wood. And we're gonna smoke all this in.
That smells so good. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this.
It hasn't even started to smoke yet, baby.
Should I make rice?
Huh?
Should I make rice?
No, we're having salad and... No,
Okay.
we never talked about rice. Yeah, I know it smells good. Go on. Wait till it starts smoking. Sorry, I gotta shut this.
How good.
Look at that, baby. Smoking in hickory and apple wood. Gonna be the bomb. That's all I can say. Oh my God. All right, doggies. Here's yours. You're gonna love it in your food tonight.